nearby the port. As you can see, the clouds still there, but it is hot and shining. Sun is shine up. Beautiful day there. Yeah, it's a very beautiful day today. Even there is the clouds, but few only. You know, the color of the houses here are do the same. No different color, just the brown. You can see, you can take a look. It's the color of the house. It is still the same. It's just like the color of the ground or the earth. In the middle of the sea. With pen, and let's like color make things more spacious. Dark colors seem more cluttered. Oh yes. And you see, if it is dark, it's like it's like always nighttime, no daytime. This is the crown of the bridge. Hi! Guwapa! Joyce! Couple vlog. Kumusta naman, oy? Long time no see, but now beautiful as always. Beautiful as always. Asa man ka at padulong uli. Break. Break na.